When you're looking for an apartment or code in Japan, have you ever seen weird abbreviations like 1R or 2K? You might be thinking, it looks like a secret code. I have no idea what it means. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand Japanese apartment layouts called Madori, and you won't get confused when checking room listings. Stick around, and I'm sure you'll find the perfect place for you. Alright, first, let's decode some of the mysterious letters you see on Japanese property listings. R stands for room. You'll often see it in layouts like 1R, 1 room. But here's a little tip. Sometimes R on a floor plan can also mean refrigerator. If it's in the kitchen area, it's telling you, place your fridge here. So yeah, it can get a little tricky, just watch out for that. Next, K stands for kitchen. In Japanese rentals, the letter changes depending on the size of the kitchen. A kitchen smaller than about 4.5 tatami mats is just marked as K. D means dining. This is a space that combines cooking and eating areas. If the kitchen is between about 4 and 8 tatami mats, it's marked as D. You'll often see DK together. This means dining kitchen. Then there's L, which stands for living room. A living room is usually for kitchens bigger than 8 tatami mats. It's more spacious than a dining area, so you can put a sofa, a TV, and hang out with family or friends comfortably. L is often combined with D and K, which gives you LDK living dining kitchen. Finally, S stands for service room. These are rooms that might have small windows or legally don't count as proper bedrooms. They're often smaller, but you can use them as a study, storage, or extra space. So, it's a great way to get more rooms for less money. Next up, let's take a look at some actual apartment layouts using the letters we just learned. 1R is a layout where you open the front door and the room is right there, with the kitchen in the same space. The perk rent is super cheap. The downside, cooking smells can linger in the room, and anyone at the entrance can see straight into your space. 1K. Here, the room and the kitchen are separated by a wall. The perk, cooking smells won't reach your bedroom, and your privacy is better since people at the entrance can't see inside. The downside, the living area is a bit smaller compared to a 1R of the same total size. 1LDK. This layout has a dining area separate from your bedroom, so you can clearly separate eating from sleeping. This layout has a living and dining room, so it feels nice and spacious even after you put in a sofa and TV. The perk is that your daily life has more structure, and you can invite friends over for meals or just hang out. The downside, it costs more because the space is bigger. Now let's move on to apartments with 2 or more rooms. 2K or 2DK. These have 2 rooms plus a kitchen or dining kitchen. Perfect if you're sharing with a friend or a partner. 2LDK or 3LDK. These are bigger apartments, ideal for families. The perk, you can have a space to hang out together, while still keeping private areas for each person. The downside, rent is of course higher. And finally, the last part. Let's talk about how to choose the layout that's right for you. If you're living alone, check out 1R, 1K, 1DK, and 1LDK. If you want to keep rent super low, go for a 1R. If you cook a lot, a 1K is better since the kitchen is separate from your room. If you like having friends over or want space for hobbies, consider a 1DK or 1LDK, even if it costs a bit more. If 2 people are living together, 1LDK or 2DK might be perfect. For couples, a 1LDK is great. You can hang out together in the living room if you're sharing with a friend. A 2DK is ideal because you can each have your own private space. And if you want more space and comfort, a 2LDK is also a great option. For families, look at 2LDK or 3LDK. If the kids are still little, a 2LDK might be enough. But if your kids are older and might want their own rooms, planning for a 3LDK with 3 bedrooms is a safe bet. So, how was that? Now you've got a good idea about Japanese apartment layouts and the types of rooms you can find. Pick the place that fits your lifestyle best. Find your dream apartment and enjoy life in Japan. On Movin, you can search for apartments in Japan from anywhere in the world. We offer support in Japanese, English, Chinese, and Vietnamese. So be sure to check out our official website from the link in the description. If you thought this video was helpful or interesting, please subscribe and hit the like button. Well then, see you in the next video. I'm cheering with all my heart for your happy life in Japan. Bye bye.